and we're gonna find some movements that make us feel good, feel healthy, and feel sexy. So begin by taking some circular cat-cows. These feel so good, keeping your abs slightly engaged as you move in one direction, pressing through your shoulders. This is one of my favorite movements to do in the morning. Take a couple one direction and then go ahead and take that movement going the other direction. You want to play around with maybe keeping your knees a little bit wider, your hands a little bit wider. Play around with either dropping your head or not, whatever feels good. This is totally a find what feels good moment. All right, now some big hip circles. Knees again are slightly apart, dropping the hips all the way forward, keeping your abs engaged to protect your lower back. Beautiful. Switch directions. Feel like a sexy cat. Nice. Press back. Child's pose. Coming into a gentle puppy pose, gentle stretch here. So see how I'm coming all the way forward to my belly, staying low, nice arch in the back, and then pressing up through cobra and back. Take a couple of these. We're warming up the muscles of your chest as well as your upper back. You get a nice little back stretch in there as well. Shake it out. Okay, come to your back, knees up. Gently rock your knees side to side. Nice massage in the lower back and across your tummy. Deep breath in and out, dropping both knees over to the right side. Nice twist. You can use this opportunity to stretch out the front of your left shoulder, as well as your pecs muscles up there. This feels so good just to floss that muscle by bringing your arm up and down along the ground there. And then we're just going to switch the other side. Deep breath in. Exhale and sink into this twist. You've earned this. Allow yourself to truly give back to your body. Breathe, reset, mental reset as well as the physical reset. It's very important that we're consistently coming back to our physical practice to help ground ourselves, ladies. All right, we're gonna have some fun. Come to your back and we're gonna take this opportunity to work on some wavy legs. This movement is so fun. It's one of my favorite floor work movements and just feel good movements in general. Like, how can you be in a bad mood when you're doing the wavy legs for real? Reaching your arms up above your head, relaxing. Stretch your left leg out towards the ceiling and your right leg down long. If you have a stretchy band, grab it, put it around your foot, and you're just gonna hold here. Maybe gently rock your leg from left to right, flossing out the muscles of your hamstring. Flex and point, flex and point, flex and point, flex and point. I love it. All right. Switch sides, right foot in the band or in your hand. And go ahead and drop that foot in and out. Time for the flex and point, 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 flex and point. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, release deeper into that hamstring muscle. We're just getting into it, girls. All right, toes together, knees wide. Gently roll yourself up. We're going to come into a pinwheel position with the lower body. This stretch is for the front of the left hip and your quad. Right elbow down, left arm reaches up and over. I know this feels so good. If you have not tried this stretch and you're tight along your front and your side body, do this right now and get yourself a nice squishy mat so you're nice and comfy. All right, grabbing your left foot behind your back. Extra pull on the hip flexor and your quad of your left leg. Ooh, feels so good. Come into the snaking motion now that we've stretched out the leg. Scorpion the leg back and then pulling it forward. Your upper body is moving in opposition to your lower body. Try to be as fluid as possible. This is one of the key foundations of floor work dance movements. Also good for digestion, flexibility, overall body awareness. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna switch sides, so come into a pinwheel with your right knee out. Yes, come into that big side body stretch. If I hit the pole there, hold here, reach into it, take any little movements that you need. Breathe, stretch, reach. Then you're gonna reach back, grab that right foot, big quad stretch. Snake that leg forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, and forward and back. Keep it moving. Again, fluidity, softness, and seduction. Feeling more and more in tune with your body. Lay onto your back. You can rock out or bring yourself into a little ball. Nice gentle stretch for the lower back. We're going to get a bit of ab activation in here too. As you extend your arms and your legs and pull in. Extend. 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 Extend, extend, and then grab both of your ankles, let your knees come out wide, relax back, take a gentle twist over, right knee over top, and then bring both of your knees over to the other side. Lift yourself all the way up to seated. Grab a stretchy band or a strap. We're going to work out our shoulders and get some good posture